Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has just arrived. He's being welcomed by the Chairman of ITC Limited, Mr. Sanjeev Puri. The Chairman is presenting Honorable Chief Minister with an exquisite Dharmavaram shawl, which all of us know that it's a weave unique. And Mr. Sanjeev Puri, Chairman ITC Limited, is now escorting Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu to the entrance of this landmark hotel. ప్రత్యేకంగా కొండపల్లి కళాకారులచే చేసినటువంటి కీని ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ఆ కీ స్పెషల్లీ క్రాఫ్ట్ చేశారు. దట్ వాజ్ ద కీ టు ద హోటల్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లోరల్ రిబ్బన్ని కట్ చేసి ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు ముందుకి రానున్నారు జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన కార్యక్రమానికి. ద ఫస్ట్ 5-star ప్రాపర్టీ మన హిస్టారిక్ గుంటూరు సిటీలో ప్రారంభోత్సవ శుభతరుణాన గౌరవనీయులైన ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన చేస్తున్నటువంటి శుభతరుణం. అసతోమ సద్గమయ తమసోమ జ్యోతిర్గమయ మృత్యోర్మ అమృతంగమయ. చీకటిలోంచి వెలుగులోకి తీసుకువెళ్లవలసిందిగా ఆ భగవంతుణ్ణి ఈ సందర్భంగా కోరుకుంటూ, ఎన్నిటికో ప్రఖ్యాతిగానిచ్చినటువంటి గుంటూరులో మరో ఆణిముత్యం. వెల్కమ్ హోటల్ గుంటూరు. గౌరవనీయులు శ్రీ సంజీవ్ పూరి, చైర్మన్ అండ్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఐటీసీ లిమిటెడ్, వారితో పాటు మన గౌరవనీయులు హోంమంత్రి వర్యులు, ఇతర మంత్రులు, ఆహ్వానితులు అందరూ తోడ్కొని ఈ హాల్లోకి మరి కాసేపట్లో రానున్నారు. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. మన అందరి కరతాళ ధ్వనుల మధ్య ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమానికి ఇది శుభ తరుణం. మరి ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యుల చేతుల మీదుగా రిబ్బన్ కటింగ్ కూడా జరిగి జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన జరిగి ఆఫీషియల్గా వెల్కమ్ హోటల్ గుంటూరుని ప్రారంభోత్సవం చేశారు గౌరవనీయులు ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు. ఒక గ్రామీణ మరియు పట్టణ ప్రాంత నివాసయోగ్యమైనటువంటి గుంటూరు ఒక చక్కటి మేళవింపు. విద్య, వైద్యం, ఆరోగ్యం వీటన్నిటికీ పుట్టునిల్లు మన గుంటూరు. గుంటూరు మిర్చి, అలాగే పత్తి, ఇట్స్ అ హబ్ ఫర్ డైమండ్స్. ఎంతోమంది వైద్యులు, వ్యాపారవేత్తల్ని పుట్టినిల్లు గుంటూరు. ఈ ప్రతిష్టాత్మకమైనటువంటి నగరంలో ఒక ఆణిముత్యంగా ఐటీసీ గ్రూప్ వారికి చెందినటువంటి వెల్కమ్ హోటల్ గుంటూరు మొట్టమొదటి 5-star ప్రాపర్టీ ఈ రోజున ప్రారంభోత్సవం జరిగిన శుభతరుణం. Each one is designed to offer a relaxed and contemporary environment and is dotted with a tasteful placement of the native crafts. ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులకి సాదరంగా స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. Very good morning to you, sir. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and the Chairman Mr. Sanjeev Puri and all the other dignitaries on the dais. A hearty and a warm welcome to you, sir. అందరినీ ఆశీనులు కావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటూ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request the Chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Puri, to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskaram and Swagatam. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you today as we celebrate a very important milestone in our journey of contributing to the socio-economic development of the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is an honor today to have amongst us the young and very dynamic Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu amongst us today. Honorable Chief Minister, we are very grateful to you for being here with us today. Your presence means a lot. It's a source of immense inspiration for all of us. And we thank you for being here today. Thank you very much for the honor. Honorable Chief Minister, your focus on inclusive growth in the state of Andhra Pradesh is truly inspirational. In a short span of time, there have been multi-dimensional initiatives that have been brought forward in the state with a lot of agility and passion. And the fact that the state of Andhra Pradesh is ranked right on top in the good governance rankings for agriculture and allied areas is a testimony to the tremendous amount of progress that has been made under your leadership. The Navratnalu scheme, which encompasses multiple areas, is very well thought out, very strategic, and focuses on some of the core aspects of social development. There are schemes for women, for farmers, education, local level governance, and these hold immense promise to fashion a new paradigm of socio-economic growth in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In fact, we are truly encouraged and inspired. We have watched with a lot of inspiration the manner in which the state government has provided help to people during the pandemic, people who needed it. The speed, the agility, the passion is indeed commendable and exemplary. It's something that we have not witnessed anywhere else. We are not surprised that Andhra Pradesh is also the top state today in terms of ease of doing business, and it has been consistently so. And this is a testimony to all the interventions, the quality of execution, the transparency, the effectiveness of governance that you have brought onto the table. And we as an investor in Andhra Pradesh are deeply inspired and encouraged by all this transformation. ITC has a very large, long, enduring and growing footprint in Andhra Pradesh across all the three sectors of the economy: agriculture, manufacturing and services. This year, our oldest unit in Chirala, later this year, is going to celebrate its centenary. So Andhra Pradesh has a very special place for us, very special place in our hearts. It is also the hub and the headquarters of our agri-business, which is amongst the largest in the country. That's right here in Guntur. And more importantly, it is also the hub of all crop development and farmer empowerment activities. We have a research facility here. We have an analytics lab facility here for ourselves and for the industry at large. We have a research facility in Rajamundry. And we're very proud of it. We're very proud of our association with Andhra Pradesh in all these spheres. We work across multiple value chains. There is this traditional value chain of tobacco, and of course, now we work with rice, with aqua, with fruits, with spices, and we are continuing to grow our footprint. And it is not merely for us, it is not merely about buying agri commodities. ITC has always believed, and we believe in the credo of nation first, sab saath badhe. So it's all about contributing to inclusive growth. It's all about working at the back end so that we can empower our most important stakeholders, which are the farmers. And recently, along with the state government, the vision of the Honorable Chief Minister, we've also partnered on a large PPP to make Guntur, or Andhra Pradesh rather, a hub, a global hub of chili exports. And there's a large farmer empowerment, farmer training program that we are jointly undertaking. And the results of this, in a short period of time, are indeed very commendable, where productivity has gone up by 13% and incomes are up by 26%. Based on these learnings, and this was a place where digital, state-of-the-art digital technologies were also used. ITC is now building ITC Mars, that is Meta Markets for Advanced Agriculture and Rural Services, which will help us scale up our initiative. Our contributions to the rural economy are also backed up by our social development program in the area of watershed, animal husbandry, education, amongst others. Today is a very special occasion for us, a very special moment, as we unveil, launch and dedicate to the state of Andhra Pradesh Welcome Hotel Guntur. This is the first. This is a hotel with 104 rooms, a number of suites, and a lot of amenities for guests. It is the first 5-star property in Guntur, and we hope it will make a meaningful contribution to the tourism landscape of Guntur. And I know, Honorable Chief Minister, tourism is another area that you have been very passionate about, and we are committed to partnering with the state in developing this sector. I'm also happy to inform you that this is the first LEED Platinum hotel, LEED Platinum certified hotel in Andhra Pradesh. It is also on its way to very soon become amongst the very few hotels in the world that will be a net carbon zero hotel. The first 2 hotels are also ITC hotels. This possibly will be amongst the first few in the world to achieve this distinction. It is well on way. Our commitment to sustainability and environment is also manifest in the large investment that we have done in a wind farm in Anantapur. And that reduces carbon emissions by 100,000 tons every year. And I'm humbled and also I take pride to also say that ITC is the only company in the world to be water positive, carbon positive, and solid waste recycling positive for 1916 and 14 years. And some of our initiatives in this sphere also emanate from our Guntur headquarters. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, for your continued support, guidance and encouragement for all our initiatives in Andhra Pradesh. Encouraged by the transformation we are seeing in Andhra Pradesh, we're also committed to investing another 400 crores, which is in the pipeline across largely in the area of food processing, in spices, aqua, and upgradation of existing facilities. And we wish to also reiterate our commitment to partner with you in your vision and in the journey of the state in its socio-economic transformation. And so once again, Honorable Chief Minister, thank you very much for all your support, all your guidance, and thank you very much for being here with us today. Thank you for this honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for that inspiring address. May I now request you to escort the Honorable Chief Minister for the unveiling of the plaque. ladies and gentlemen, Andhra Pradesh state has remarkably been productive with schemes like YSR Raitu Bharosa, which stands out as an interesting model for village-level procurement, and pre-announced minimum support. YSR Cheyuta focuses on economic empowerment and middle-aged women through livelihood-linked loans. Schemes like Disha and Abhay, as aim to enhance women's safety and security, have made a marked difference in the law and order perception. Several revolutionary measures in the past 2 years to make governance more efficient and transparent. Innovative measures have been taken across sections, and the entire credit goes to the dynamic Chief Minister. రాష్ట్ర ప్రజల ప్రయోజనమే సంకల్పంగా, అభివృద్ధే ఆయువు పట్టుగా, సంక్షేమమే ధ్యేయంగా, ప్రజలకి అండా దండగా ఉంటూ ప్రజల నాయకుడిగా పేరొందిన గౌరవనీయ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారిని ప్రసంగించవలసిందిగా మనవి. May I now request the Honorable CM to deliver the keynote address.
Wonderful to be here. And I personally thank the Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sanjay Puri ji, for having come all the way to Guntur. As he said, the partnership with ITC offers us a wonderful opportunity. This hotel that we are currently inaugurating is just one among the many initiatives that can be contemplated. In fact, it's wonderful that we have the Guntur town actually has a 5-star hotel. It's wonderful that ITC is part of it. The partnership with ITC, what we look forward in areas, especially in agriculture, especially in food processing, these are the areas where transformational changes could be brought about in the way agriculture is actually perceived. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, if you were to go to any of these villages, you would actually see transformational changes in 3 sectors: the education, the health, and the agricultural sectors, where you actually have an RBK, Raitu Bharosa Kendra, almost 10,700 of them present in every village, hand-holding the farmer right from what seed and what crop to be planted, to hand-holding the farmer right up to the stage of actually marketing the produce. In fact, the concept of RBK will totally transform agriculture, and this, along with the infrastructure in agriculture, what is created, what is to be created, and what is being currently created at the village level, be it at the primary processing level and at the parliament level, secondary processing level. That's where ITC also would play a very important role coming together with the state of Andhra Pradesh. Having said this, it's wonderful to have a 5-star hotel in Guntur town, and also it's wonderful that this hotel is the first LEED Platinum certified hotel also in Andhra Pradesh. That's also wonderful news. And moving further, we hope to have a strong partnership with ITC in a very big way in sectors pertaining to tourism, in sectors pertaining to food processing and agriculture. And I strongly believe and hope that this partnership of ours, that this endeavor of ours would go a long way. I once again appreciate and thank Mr. Sanjay Puri for this wonderful initiative. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those wonderful words, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have Welcome Hotel Guntur video. Can we have the AV, please? Thank you very much. And may I now request our chairman to present the memento of Kondapalli craftsmanship, a specially made memento, which pays a great tribute to the farmers of Andhra Pradesh. To the Honorable Chief Minister. Rooted in the soil of Andhra Pradesh, the Kondapalli display pays a tribute to the festival of Makara Sankranti and the farmers of the region who have made Guntur the largest chili market in Asia. A glowing story which has won global applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this custom-made Kondapalli display, a tribute to the festival of Makara Sankranti and to the farmers of Andhra Pradesh. మకర సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలతో ఐటీసీ తరఫు నుంచి ప్రజెంట్ చేసినటువంటి ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి జ్ఞాపిక బహూకరణ జరుగుతున్న శుభవేళ. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. May I now request the Divisional Chief Executive, Mr. Anil Chedda, to deliver the word of thanks.
Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Honorable Ministers, distinguished officials and guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. As we draw to the close of this special ceremony today, I would like to convey our deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister for sparing his valuable time to unveil this signature property, the first five-star hotel in Guntur and the first LEED Platinum certified hotel in Andhra Pradesh. I would also like to place on record our grateful thanks to your government and honorable ministers for their continued encouragement received over the years. May I also thank senior officials and other dignitaries for being with us today. My sincere gratitude to the members of the media for their continuous support in all our endeavors. This event would not have been possible without the immense help that we have received from the local administration as well as the police. Our deepest appreciation to them as well. it is indeed a matter of great pride for ITC Hotels to launch Welcome Hotel Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. This signature property will provide further impetus in transforming the tourism landscape in the state and will be an icon of repute on the world tourism map. Your vision, Honorable Chief Minister, will provide the guiding light and inspiration as we traverse a voyage of taking Andhra Pradesh to even greater heights in the future. Thank you once again, sir, Honorable Chief Minister, for giving us this privilege. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్ విచ్చేసిన అందరికీ మరోసారి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. అందరినీ దయచేసి లేచి నిలబడవలసిందిగా మనవి.